It's 221 my friends. New technologies are all around us, like foldable phones, gimbal-like camera, and Google Tensor. And some earbud blast. Wait. Just a joke. Guys, these new things apart from us, we always use our old gadgets for fulfill our daily requirement. So today we will talk about one of them, which is my 2-year-old Samsung Galaxy M30s. Yeah, I know that seems ugly, but what to do now? That is what it is. As I said, I has been using this smartphone from last 2 years, so I find out some drawbacks in it, which are mentioned here with their timing. If you are interested in any specific issue, you can jump directly on it. So firstly, talk about its cameras. As you can see, it comes with a triple camera setup, in which only 2 cameras are usable. 48 megapixel main camera and 8 megapixel ultra wide. It produces some nice looking images in daylight with some good dynamic range. But when we talk about low light, nothing to talk about that. You can see result on your display. When we talk about its 16 megapixel selfie camera, it produces some nice looking images, but sometimes it can't recognize my face, which is important I think so in a selfie camera. It smoothed out your face details and highlighted other parts of the image, like my t-shirt. You can see final result which is not appreciating according to me. The next thing we talk about is some weird network issue I found only in this smartphone. Buffering everywhere while the network strength is really good on that specific location. I compare my Samsung Galaxy M30s with another smartphone and find out the difference in front of my eyes. The network operators are same on both smartphones, so there is no room for doubt. Yeah, we all know about how Samsung filled their smartphone with these useless stress. I mean bloatwares, even in its flagship smartphone, which is not justified by their price tag. I usually disable them to get rid of this shit. The build quality of this smartphone is really poor. As you can see, there is a crack on the camera glass if you can notice carefully, and some cracks and glitches everywhere on the smartphone. Why this smartphone is so popular? Just because of its monstrous 6000 mAh battery capacity, which really deliver in daily life. But to charge the smartphone 0 to 100% is a really big task, because it comes with a 15 watt standard charger, which is not enough in 221, especially for a 6000 mAh battery cell. It comes with a Samsung legendary Exynos chipset 9611, especially for mid-rangers. If you are a gamer, don't expect any stunning performance out of it. Stay away from this smartphone if you are a gamer. It packs with a single bottom firing speaker, which produces a decent amount of sound quality. Which is cool, you know na? Cool is cool. The daily life performance is this smartphone is really good enough to fulfill your basic tasks like surfing YouTube, Gmail, photo editing, etc. You can consider it for that matter if you want to, because you know it her choice. So guys, this is today's video. If you want to watch this kind of video, so subscribe to our channel for these type of amazing tech videos. So guys, bye bye.